Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to factor a polynomial that is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, where a value is actually a value of 1, so we don't actually have it included. So it's simply x squared or a squared or b squared or whatever ends up being our variable, plus or minus something else x or a, these ones match, and then a number, just a constant here at the end of positive 9, or which is our c value. So to start a problem like this, the first thing I want to do is just sort of recognize, and once you get used to this, you won't do this very often, that x squared factors into x and x. And that's pretty much a given. If it's a and a squared, or y squared, it'd be y and y. All right, we then have to note which one of these, and this is here, this negative 10, that's our b value. And our c value here is positive 9. And this isn't important that you show these every time, but I think it's just important to let you know that that's sort of the idea of where this comes from. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a method that is sometimes called the plus times method. So what we're going to be looking for are factors of the 9, or the factors of the c, that when I multiply them, I get the 9, or positive 9, or c. But when I add them, I actually get this number in the middle, the negative 10. So I sort of break it down like this, and yeah, what I've got in red here isn't actually part of the solution. It's just something to help me along the way. So I look for anything that will multiply together to give me 9, but when I add them, I get negative 10. So I can try different things. I can try 3 and 3, negative 3 and 3, and eventually I hopefully will come to negative 1 times negative 9 gives me positive 9, and negative 9 plus negative 1 actually sums to negative 10. So lo and behold, I have my factors. So I write down my two brackets, because this is going to create a binomial by binomial product. And I fill in my two values of x, putting one x in the front and one x in the front of the next bracket. And then I just take my two numbers that I found as the factors here, and I plug one in as x negative 1. And I put 1 over here as negative 9. And my end result is x minus 1 times x minus 9. So that's my answer. Good luck with your homework. It's online.